Hello makeup lovers out there. Remember La CATRINA? Yes, Delanci's La CATRINA has launched a new product in the series. Remember this 54 carat La CATRINA eyeshadow palette? This was the 54 shade. In this, I have a new product in the same series. Let's unbox it. Yes, this is a new product. I'm super excited to unbox it. Let's have a look. It came very well packed. And yes, this is delanci La CATRINA 6 colors liquid eyeshadow. Wow, what a series. Pretty unique. These are the 6 shades liquid eyeshadow. Let's unbox it. It's tightly packed in this plastic, and let's try to cut it with scissors. Let's cut it and try to remove it. Very well packed. Now let's have a look how it is. Wow, what a palette. So beautiful, so beautiful. I love its packing. I don't want to open it. It's really beautiful. Wonderful. And liquid eyeshadow. Love it. Love the concept. Love it. It's in the series. Remember La CATRINA? Yes, this is La CATRINA liquid. This was eyeshadow 54 color, and this is 6 color La CATRINA liquid eyeshadow. Very well. Let's unbox it. Wow, beautiful. Have a look, everyone. Have a look. La CATRINA liquid eyeshadow, 6 shades. Trust me, all the shades you will need to look glamorous, beautiful, simply great. La CATRINA. Okay, let's have a look. They are pretty sleek and they're very well packed. So trust me, the packaging is very nice. I picked up one shade, liquid eyeshadow, La CATRINA, and yes, the skull. Here's the delanci, very cute. I want to try this. I love the shade. It looks so beautiful. Let's try. Let's try. I'm opening it. It's a sleek bottle, similar to our eyeliner. But this is a liquid eyeshadow. Let's go. Wow, it's my first time. I'm super excited. Alright, let's go ahead and let's try the shade. Oh wow, look at that. So beautiful. I don't think I will have to do anything else. You directly apply to your eyelids and you're good to go. Pretty unique. No, don't have time to blend. And if you want to get ready for party within minutes, I think La CATRINA's delanci liquid eyeshadow, good to go. However, I am very much interested to check how this looks if I try to apply it on my nails. Let's try another one. Yes, let's try the another shade. And I want to try it on my nail. Delanci liquid La CATRINA. Let's try it on nails this time. this is the other shade, which is pretty darker, and it is red. Oh wow, I'm in love with these shades. First I'll show it on my hand, and then I would definitely try it on my nails. Wow, wonderful. Let's try. Works well. Perfect. No problem at all. Wonderful. So it's a multi-purpose palette. I don't need to buy now anything else. I can go very well with them. All the shades are beautiful. Let's try the third one. The third one. Well, let's see. Have a look. This is kind of browner shade, shimmery brown. Yeah, I'm brown, so it might be difficult for you people to see, but yes, goes very well, very well. It glides smoothly, plus it dries off fast. What else do we need? Wonderful. Let's try out the third. This is the third. This one I will show you is this. It's darker shade, kind of a grayish black, and I think it will go very well for smoky eyes. If you plan to do a smoky eye makeup or a late night party makeup, you should go with this shade. But that's my just personal suggestion. You can do it the look what suits your outfit very well. Let's try the fourth. Oh, sorry, the fifth shade. Have a look. Wow, beautiful. This one is gold, bright gold. I can say it's very bright. Goes well for wedding, I think. Yes, at the last. I think everyone will fall in love with this shade. It's silver, and there are endless things you can do with this shade. Endless. Have a look. All of these shades. Let's see, did our first shade dry off? Yes, it did dry completely. No smudge. It dries off very fast. Let's check a nail. Did this dry? Perfect. What else do we want? Safe for the eye, safe for nails, and I can assure you it's safe for your lips. This is non-transfer. It's not getting transferred at all. It dries off very quickly, and the shades are beautiful. Must have collection, must have. And they have launched it in a series. I'm going to buy each and every product from the series. Each and every product. Delanci 6-color liquid eyeshadow. A must-have product. Buy it now. Visit the Delanci website and do buy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I rate this product 5 star. I rate the whole series awesome. 5 stars. La CATRINA 54 colors. New product. La CATRINA 6-color liquid eyeshadow. A must have. A must have, guys. Go ahead, buy this product. I am happy buying it, and I can't wait to use it daily. Take care. Bye bye.